If you're exploring ways to boost your energy, improve focus, and support healthy aging, Cata-Kor NAD Plus supplement may have popped up on your radar. With an impressive 4.3 out of 5 stars from over 4,000 Amazon reviews, it's gaining attention. But is this supplement really as effective as it claims? What is Cata-Kor NAD Plus? Cata-Kor is marketed as a NMN supplement alternative, combining liposomal NAD Plus and resveratrol. This blend is designed to enhance your body's natural levels of NAD+, coenzyme essential for cellular energy, repair, and healthy aging. What makes Cata-Kor stand out is its liposomal delivery system, which the company claims increases absorption by up to 71%. That means more of the active ingredients actually get into your system compared to standard capsules. Key benefits: Cata-Kor is formulated to support healthy skin, aging, increased daily energy, improved focus, and mental clarity, cellular health, and longevity. The addition of resveratrol, a natural antioxidant found in red grapes, further supports cellular repair and overall wellness. Tested for purity in the USA, one of the main selling points of this supplement is that it's third-party tested in the United States. This ensures that the product is manufactured with strict quality standards. The company even offers a certificate of analysis upon request for added transparency. Real customer feedback: thousands of users have shared positive experiences, reporting noticeable improvements in energy levels, mental sharpness, and overall vitality. The average rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars on Amazon suggests that most customers find the product beneficial. Some users have noted that results may take a few weeks, depending on individual body chemistry. As with any supplement, consistency is key. Final verdict: legit and worth trying. Based on customer reviews and its well-researched formulation, Cata-Kor NAD Plus appears to be a legit and effective supplement. While results can vary from person to person, the blend of liposomal NAD Plus and resveratrol makes it a strong contender for those looking to support energy, focus, and healthy aging. Always consult your doctor before starting use, especially if you have any ongoing health conditions.